Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Future of AI Development, Trends and Opportunities. Imagine building apps that don't just follow rules, but learn and think. That's the power of AI. It's not just for scientists anymore. It's a fundamental tool for you, the developer. Think of AI as a new set of powerful tools in your coding toolbox, letting you create incredible, intelligent experiences that were impossible just a few years ago. Get ready to explore how AI will transform what you build and the opportunities waiting for you. At its core, AI stands for artificial intelligence. Simply put, it's about making computers mimic human-like intelligence, things like learning from data, recognizing patterns, understanding language, and making decisions. Think of it like teaching a child. Instead of writing a line-by-line instruction for every single possibility, you show the child many examples, data, and they learn to identify patterns and react appropriately. For a developer, this means instead of coding every rule, you provide data and an AI model learns the rules itself. Today, AI is already making a huge impact. You use it daily. Ever wonder how Netflix knows exactly what movies you might like? That's AI. How does Siri or Google Assistant understand your voice? AI again. These capabilities come from fields like machine learning, where computers learn from data without explicit programming, and deep learning, a supercharged version of machine learning, great for complex tasks like image recognition. As a developer, you can now integrate these pre-built superpowers into your apps with just a few lines of code. Much like using a library or an API, the future isn't just standalone AI apps. It's AI woven into everything. Think about adding intelligent spell checking to your text editor, automatically categorizing emails, or suggesting code snippets in your IDE. As a developer, this means AI isn't a separate discipline but a powerful feature you'll integrate. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are providing easy-to-use AI services. Think of them as plug-and-play AI modules that you can call with simple API requests, letting you add sophisticated AI functionality without being an AI expert yourself. This is where it gets really exciting. Beyond just predicting or analyzing, generative AI can create new things. Imagine an AI that writes poems, generates realistic images from a text description, drafts code, or even composes music. Large language models, LLMs, like the one you're interacting with now are a prime example. For developers, this opens up a whole new world. Build tools that write marketing copy, design game assets, or even help you prototype software faster by generating code. You become a conductor for AI's creativity. As AI becomes more powerful, it also needs to be more personal and responsible. We're talking about AI that understands your specific needs and adapts, while also being fair, transparent, and respectful of privacy. Developers will play a crucial role here in designing AI systems that are unbiased, secure, and explainable. This means not just building powerful AI, but building AI with a conscience, considering its impact on users and society, and ensuring it operates ethically. The door is wide open. You don't need a PhD in AI to get started. As a developer, your existing coding skills are a huge advantage. Start by exploring AI APIs and libraries, like TensorFlow, JS for web developers or scikit-learn for Python. Experiment with generative AI tools to understand their capabilities. Learn Python, if you haven't already, as it's the dominant language for AI. Look into prompt engineering, the art of effectively communicating with AI models. The key is to start building and experimenting, integrating AI into your project step by step. AI isn't just a trend, it's the next foundational technology. As a developer, you are uniquely positioned to not just use AI, but to asterisk build with it, to asterisk innovate with it, and to asterisk shape its future. The opportunities are limitless. From enhancing existing applications to creating entirely new categories of intelligent software. Don't be intimidated. Be excited. Start your journey today. And remember, the best way to predict the future of AI is to create it yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.